Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you the BedRug VanTred floor we have installed here in our Ford Transit cargo van. This is a one-piece plastic style floor that just simply unrolls from the box and is good to go. It is precision cut to go around your wheel wells, as well as around your pillar and your side step right there. For your specific van, it's offered for all the length options, including the 130-inch wheelbase, the 148-inch regular wheelbase, and the 148-inch extended wheelbase. They also make it for every other major cargo van out there. It's a super simple installation. Now, if we look underneath this, you can see it has ribbing built into the bottom. So this is a foam layer. It's about 3/4 of an inch thick. It gets a little bit thinner when you go on the inside of these ribs here, but it matches up with the ribbing of the floor, so that gives you a nice even surface. Now, it does have a layer of foam, so it does compress a little bit as you step on it and stand on it for the first time. Now, on the top of this, we do have a solid plastic style floor. It does have a grip and texture to it, so you're not gonna slip and slide around with wet boots and things like that. Almost has kind of a rubbery feel to it as well. This is a really economical solution if you're just looking for something to protect the floor and give you that solid grip surface for walking on in these vans. Now, because this floor can roll up, it can fit into a smaller box and be shipped via a parcel carrier like UPS and FedEx. Those larger rigid floors a lot of times have to be shipped on a pallet, which adds shipping timing and cost. So this is going to be really economical in terms of getting to you. Now, if you're looking to get this VanTred floor for your van or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.